Hello and welcome to How to Guide. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can write a cover letter for any work you're applying for on Upwork using AI, mostly ChatGPT. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open any browser you have on your PC and then you can open Upwork in one tab and ChatGPT on the other. After you open Upwork, make sure you do have your account, log into your account, and make sure you write down all of the details of your experience of your life and your skills, and then you will get the best jobs from Upwork. Now let's go ahead and search for the best matches. You can see that this is for CEO right-hand assistant full-time, student only. The price is written clearly, $500 per month full-time. Let's go ahead and write a cover letter for this. This is a simple fixed price entry level. Estimated budget is about $500, so you can go ahead and select it. Now you can see that this profile has given some requirements over here. Go ahead and copy this, paste it here on the ChatGPT, and write down this is what the employee has to say. The employer has to say, write me a decent cover letter, and write something down like make it look more human as possible. So you can write something like this. After you do so, click enter, wait for a while. You can see the cover letter has been created. There you go. You can see the manage memory option over here. So you can see here's a cover letter that conveys a friendly and approachable tone, as I have given the prompt that this employer has said something like this, and write me a decent cover letter, make it look as more human as possible. So as I've written to it, I'm going to read it down. I'm writing to express my interest in the sales and admin assistant position at your company. I'm currently pursuing a bachelor's degree in business at this university name should be added to yourself, and I'm excited about the opportunity to contribute to a dynamic and growing team like yours. And you can see that these all are the things which has mentioned over here in this. So this cover letter is ready. If you want to regenerate it, you can click on it and regenerate it anytime. After you do so, you might want to paraphrase it, because read here, you can see that is written, please write an application letter by yourself. I'll check for ChatGPT and tell me what attracts you to my offer. So you can go to ChatGPT and regenerate it, and you can write something like paraphrase this. After you write this, all of what ChatGPT has been written will be paraphrased, and you will find the paraphrased version of your cover letter over here. Now you can copy this and you can go to Upwork, click on the job you want, click on apply now, and if you see over here, this is submitting for a proposal. You can see this is the entry fee, the experience level must be there, and the fixed price is $500. So you might want not to change this because this is the fixed price, and you will be getting $450. Scroll a bit down and you can see the cover letter option over here. You can get personalized tips when you write the cover letter. If you have the premium version, which is the beta version powered by Uma of Upwork's Mindful AI. So if you want this, you can do this, or else if you can just scroll down, you can write down what you are currently studying, how much time do you have per day. You must write down all of these because this is really important for you getting the job. So you can see the attachments file over here. You can copy this over here and you can paste it on Word. So after you go to Word, you can edit everything by your own. This is the format. You can edit what you want from here. After that, you can save this file over here, save as, go to downloads and save it as your CV or cover letter. Cross this. Let's go back to submit a proposal over here. Click on upload. We saved it on download, so you can see this is the file which I just edited. So this file is the cover letter, which has been made by me and with the help of ChatGPT. So it's quite easy. I'm gonna give you another example as well. So this is for another job I'm gonna do for the developing ride sharings, or I'm gonna just look for a Google developer job. I'll just go ahead and click on this, and you can see the companies don't denote their name sometimes. You can just go ahead and copy this. This is what they are looking for you to read. Go ahead and paste this over here and write down, create me a cover letter reading all of this, make it look as human as possible. So you can write something like this down, and in a while ChatGPT will create you a job letter or a cover letter, which will be fully great and awesome for you to share with your employer. Make sure you paraphrase it and regenerate it a couple of times, because if they might see that you generated it from ChatGPT, the first impression might not be nice. So guys, this is how you generate a Upwork cover letter for any job you're approving for Upwork, and you can make it using ChatGPT. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.